So guys, I'm seeing a lot of videos online, people talking about AI and crypto, and they're saying all kinds of things. I see a lot of people doing like adverts and saying, "Oh, crypto, you can make $10,000 a week. How I made $1 million a month," and some you see, guys, that all those videos are nonsense. They're nonsense. Okay, I've seen people say, "Oh, AI is we're making thousands of dollars on AI." It's nonsense. Don't let people put you on that stupid pressure. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of money to be made in this AI race. Okay, there's a lot of money. There's a lot of things you can do, to get extra income and to start a new business, to start a new, a new product, a new project, and make money. But please, let's be realistic. Okay, all that overnight money and making $1 million in 1 week is all rubbish, especially when it comes to like forex trading, crypto trading. All that is nonsense. Okay, forex trading is hard, crypto trading is hard. Okay, don't let anybody tell you that you can just do this overnight. Oh, I just did this, I use this app, I use this thing. It's all nonsense. Okay, there are things that I don't want to talk about, but the truth is that a lot of people who come online and claim that they are making money from crypto and forex trading, they're just talking nonsense. They know where they're making their money from. And it's not crypto and it's not forex. Okay, so all that is nonsense. And I'm not saying people are not making money from crypto. Don't get me wrong. There's people are making money from crypto. People are making money from forex, but it's not this get rich quick talk that I'm seeing all over the place. That's all nonsense. There is a professional way. There is a disciplined way to grow in trading, in forex trading, in crypto trading. It's not even and it's about discipline. It's not even about knowledge of the market, knowledge of SMC, knowledge of ICT concepts and all that, understanding charts. All that is important, okay? But the truth I will tell you about trading is very simple. A greater part of trading depends on your personal discipline. Risk management, understanding how to manage your account. So this video is not for that, but I just want to make you understand that yes, you can make money from forex trading, you can make money from crypto, but it's not a overnight get rich quick scheme. That's nonsense. Anybody that's telling you that I'm just going to the chart, I just did this and I made one, no, they're trying to play on you. The truth is that they want the videos that they are making are the real business that they're trying to do. Okay, and the same goes for AI. Someone say, "Oh, I created a PDF and I made $100,000 in 1 week." Look, come on. Yes, you can make money from these things, but don't let anybody lie to you about all this overnight get rich quick scam and schemes and all that. It's nonsense. Okay, you can. Yes, let me tell you what AI will do for you. Okay, I know this because I am a developer. I'm a software architect. Not just a software architect. I'm a solutions architect. I design products. I have platforms. I have startups. One of the things that AI will do for you is that AI will speed up your productivity. So things that you used to do for, say, 1 week, you can now do it in hours. Okay, you can do it in hours. And the truth about AI is that you still need to know what you're doing. This idea that AI will just do everything for you is nonsense. It's not true. You have to understand what you're doing. Otherwise, AI will give you rubbish. AI acts, the models, they hallucinate. They lie. I was telling someone the other day, you say, "Oh, what?" I said, the models, they lie. You tell the model, "Do this for me." He will tell you, "Oh, I've done it, I've completed it." And you go there and check it and he didn't complete it. Sometimes he just fabricates things and throws it at you. So they lie. So you still need to understand what you're doing. You still need to understand the product or the service or the project that you're doing. Understand it in and out before you can get anything out of AI. But the good thing about AI is that AI will speed up your work. A lot of the time that I used to spend, doing a lot of things, AI has reduced that time. Things that would take 1 week before 2 weeks, they can now take hours. So that's what AI will do for you. But you still need to understand what you're doing. And the most important part of it all is not even what you produce. It is how much you can sell it. Let me tell you something. Guys. No matter what you produce, if you do not understand how to sell, you are not going to make anything worthwhile. Don't let anybody deceive you. Somebody say, I just came and I developed this, I developed that, I've developed this, I did this fantastic thing. No, it's nonsense. If you do not know how to sell, you cannot make money, no matter what you develop. The most important part of what you do is how to sell that which you have made. So get this right. Let's get this right. Let's not allow people, play us around and confuse you and make you feel like, oh, there's something wrong with you because you're not making money. Other people are making money. It's all noise. A lot of things you see on social media is noise. Okay, it's noise. If you make $1 million a week, you won't come to social media. So don't let anybody tell you all that rubbish. Okay, God bless you.